Students, how are you all? Welcome to mathematics class of standard 9. Today we are going to see chapter number 10 and the name of our chapter is circles. In the previous class we have already seen the theory part of this chapter. In this class we are going to see the exercises of this exercise part of this chapter. So again I am sending you the included topics of this chapter. And first we are going to see chapter exercise 10.1, which is on the page number 171. Question number 1 is for filling the blanks. The center of a circle lies in the interior of the circle. A point whose distance from the center of circle is greater than its radius lies in exterior of the circle. The longest chord of a circle is the diameter of the circle. An arc is a semicircle when its ends are the ends of a diameter. Segment of a circle is the region between an arc and chord of a circle. A circle divides the plane on which it lies in three parts. Which are the three parts? Interior of the circle, exterior of the circle, and the circle itself. Okay. Write true or false, give reason for your solution. Line segment joining the center of to any point on the circle is a radius of the circle. So it's true. Any line segment drawn from the center of the circle to any point on it is the radius of the circle and will be of equal length. A circle has only finite number of equal chords. So it's false. There can be infinite number of equal chords of a circle. If a circle is divided into three equal arcs, each is a major arc, so it is false. For unequal arcs, there can be major and minor arcs. So equal arcs on a circle cannot be said as a major or minor arc. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius is the diameter of the circle. So it is false. A sector is a major region. It's true. Any chord whose length is twice as long as the radius of the circle always pass through the center of the circle and thus it is known as the diameter of the circle. Sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. False. A sector is a region of a circle between the arc and the two radii of the circle. A circle is a plane figure. True. A circle is a 2D figure and it can be drawn on a plane. Exercise 10.4, which is located on page number 179. From this, only 3 questions are going to come, which are first we will study. Two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. So first we will draw two circles. Okay, one circle is of 5 cm radius and one is of 3 cm radius. Intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 cm. So both intersect and the distance between these two intersecting radius is of 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. So solution, given perimeters means OP is equals to 5 cm. You can see OP is 5 cm means OP is the radius. Then OS is 4 cm means this is OS, this which is the 4 cm. PS equals to 3 cm. So this line is the PS which is 3 cm. Also PQ equals to 2PR. You can see clearly that PQ equals to 2 times of PR. Now let's suppose that RS equals to X. We don't know the distance between RS, so we will let it that the distance between RS is X. So if we consider triangle POR, so this is a right angle triangle. That's why OP square equals to OR square plus PR square. By solving this, we can get that PR square equals to 9 minus X square plus 8X. Now consider in the same way triangle RPS. This is one more right angle triangle. Here again PS square equals to PR square plus RA square. By solving this, we can come to know that it is 9 minus x, the x square. Both are equal to each other, so 9 minus x square plus 8x equals to 9 minus x square. By solving this, we can come to know the value of x is equals to 0. Now PR square is equals to 9 minus 0 square, because PR square equals to 9 minus x square plus 8x. So we can come to know by keeping the value of x in this equation number 1, or else in equation number 2, any equation if we will keep, we will get the value of PR equals to 3 centimeter and PQ equals to 2 times of PR. So PQ equals to 6 centimeter. Three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So first of all, let's assume that Reshma, Salma and Mandeep we will represent as A, B and C respectively. Means this is Reshma, this is Salma and this one is Mandeep. Okay, from the equation we can come to know that AB is equals to BC equals to 6 centimeter and OA equals to 5 centimeter because it is the radius of the circle. Now BM is perpendicular to AC, so that this triangle it is right angle triangle. So that we can come, now let's assume that AM equals to Y and OM equals to X. BM equals to 5 minus X. This BM equals to 5 minus X. By applying Pythagoras theorem, OAM, we can get OA square equals to OM square plus AM square. So this will be our first equation. Again applying the Pythagoras theorem on the other side of the triangle, AB square equals to BM square plus AM square. That is 6 square equals to 5 minus X the whole square plus Y square. If we make the subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we can get 36 minus 25 and 5 minus x the whole square minus x square and plus y square minus y square. So directly plus y square minus y square is cancelled out and we will get the value of x equals to 7 by 5. By substituting the value of x in equation 1, we can get the value of y equals to 24 by 5. And thus AC equals to 2 AM. And AC to 24 by 5, AC equals to, we will get 9.6 meter. So the distance between Reshma and Mandeep is 9.6 meter. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in the colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each one. Okay, so first to draw according to the given statement, the diagram will look as follows. This one, Ankur means A, B is for Syed and C is for David. Okay, so these all are all are connecting each other with the telephonic situation. We can see that AD we have to draw, which is perpendicular to BC. And OA is the centroid of triangle ABC. OA is the radius of the triangle. Therefore, OA is 2/3 of AD. Okay. Let the side of the triangle BD equals to A by 2. Okay, because the length of completely BC is equals to A. So BD means A by 2. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can see triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can get the value of AD equals to √3A by 2. And now we want to find OA, which is 2/3 of AD. So 2 by 3 into √3A by 2, we will get the value of A equals to 20√3 meter. Exercise 10.5, page number 184. In the figure 10.36, A, B and C are 3 points on a circle with center O such that BOC equals to 30 degree, AOB equals to 60 degree. If D is the point on the circle other than arc ABC, and find ADC. It is given that AOC equals to AOB plus BOC. We can clearly see that, and if it means 60 plus 30 means 90 degree. ADC is half of AOC, means half of 90 degree, it means 45 degree. Second one, a chord of circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point in the major arc. We will find here the chord AB is equal in the radius of circle. In the above diagram, OA and OB are the two radii of the circle. Now consider triangle AOB here. AB equals to OA equals to OB is the radius of the circle. AOC is 60 degree. ACB is half of AOB. That's why ACB equals to half of 60 degree. It means 30 degree. Since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, that's why ADB plus ACB equals to 180 degree, and therefore ADB equals to 150 degree is the answer. In figure 10.37, PQR equals to 100 degree, where P, Q and R are the points on a circle with center O. Find OPR. We have to find OPR. It means this here we will make a small angle, and that we have to find. With the reflex of POR equals to 2 into PQR, we can see where is POR. You can see POR, and the reflex of POR, it means 2 times of PQR. That's why POR will become 200 because it is reflex. Reflex means opposite side. So POR will become 160 degree. In triangle OPR, OP and OR are the radii of the circle. So OP equals to OR, OPR equals to ORP. Now if we know the sum of the angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees, so POR plus OPR plus ORP equals to 180 degree because it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we will find that OPR equals to ORP. That's why OPR means 2 times of OPR equals to 20 degree, and only OPR equals to 10 degree. So here we have completed our chapter. In this chapter only this much exercises are going to come. You have to learn this all the exercise and examples also which are mentioned in the included topics, that you have to read carefully, and you have to learn this, understand this chapter carefully, because this is one of the most important chapter. I hope you have enjoyed the class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you for listening the class. Thank you.